just trying to be productive. I'm just trying to be great.
Just move it Allah.
Okay, so it's currently about 12:20. I am on my way down south to Albert's restaurant where there is a pop-up meet and greet. E be monte souman pi ou fini. Fwing. Yes. So I'm on my way there now. I'm kind of excited. I'm excited and nervous at the same time because people really think I'm really mean. Like my figiti is on it. And I'm not that figiti. I don't have a figiti personality. My personality is very bubbly. I'm very happy. I'm very social. I'm very, you know, childish. Not childish in a bad way, but I like to have fun. So I feel like today is a day to shine. So I need to make sure that, you know, I bring my A game. And it's ironic because I got brand new business cards this week. So I'm like, okay God, I see you coming through with the timing or whatever. Okay God, okay J-O-D. J-O-D. Yeah, I'm simple Miss Akina Buick. Yeah, for sure. Wish Melissa and Marjorie here because they're my friends that are bloggers as well, but they're at home with their families. So let's see how this is gonna go. You know, let's go. Sorry, you guys are a little crooked right now, but I just got to Albert's and I'm putting on my heels so that my outfit is complete. I'm just thinking to myself, like, be yourself. I want to be professional, but I don't want to be myself to the point where, you know, like my personality is big, and when I'm around people I don't know, I get very shy and very quiet and very timid. So I'm like a little nervous because I'm meeting people I don't know. I look good. I feel like I look professional yet chic. I think I'm just freaking out. I don't know why. I freak out about things that I really, really care about because I wanted to go off without a hitch. But I have to understand that life is not perfect, and I just have to put my best foot forward at all times, and people are going to gravitate towards what they're going to gravitate towards. All right, let's go.
Just move it Allah.
DJ Ray.
I've been searching for Haitians that have YouTube channels.
What? There's a lot. Hello. Hi, I'm over here. Well, you know, here's my business card. You know.
That's me though. How do you go you?
She turned it to her.
Oh,
That's what she has to handle. And even if you don't think your content is great, somebody gonna like it. Somebody's gonna watch it. And then it doesn't matter because they're not watching these videos now. And someone's gonna see it, someone's gonna like it, and they're gonna be like, nah, I need to see the rest of her stuff. And go back and look. Watch her grow. And people gonna see the growth.
They're gonna see the glow.
Grow and grow.
Make sure you get the penny on top.
Corner, buzz.
Hi everybody, I'm Shirley Dorsonville, the founder of Haitians Vlog. Nice to meet everybody.
Yes.
So y'all check me out. Bo, I got a podcast, so you podcast, check it out on iTunes and SoundCloud.
Perfect.
My name is Ashley J. Ooh, my face is
Yeah, that
big.
camera is nice.
Ashley J from Met My A. Follow me on social media, Ashley J _.
This was good, you guys.
I enjoyed it.
I'm really gonna get one of these. This is way better than mine. I'm so good.
Hopefully we do this again very soon.
We are gonna do it again.
But it was good.
I enjoyed it. I love small, quaint guys.
I love this.
I
Just
really
us
like
four,
very
it was
intimate.
great.
Yeah, it was very intimate. I was
So I'm finally back home from today's festivities, and I definitely have to say that today was very enlightening. It's amazing to see how there's so many people that are like you, but you just don't know. There's a lot of people within our community that are very talented. There's a lot of people within our community that are very gifted. Everyone is kind of like in their own lane, you know? Everyone is trying to get to where they aspire to be. And it's nice to just connect with those people and to realize that you're not alone in the game. Obviously, everyone's ventures are different, but I look forward to another Haitian blog meetup pop-up. It was cool, but like what kind of stuck out to me is that there's a lot of beauty bloggers out there. And it kind of makes me sad because it's like I've been doing this. People don't know that I've had a YouTube channel since like 2011. My first video upload was in 2011. It's now 2017. I'm 6 years later. And my numbers may not be where I want them to be. However, I still have an audience that gravitates towards me and gravitate towards my content, which is what matters more so at the end of the day. It's not the quantity, it's the quality. This year going in, I do want to, I hate to say it, but I have to be uncomfortable. I feel like I've been stagnant and I have to be uncomfortable to just branch out and to do things that I haven't done before, because obviously if I keep doing the same thing, I'm going to get the same results. In order to grow, change has to be made. Like in order for a caterpillar to become a caterpillar, she has to change from an egg to a caterpillar to a cocoon, then to blossom into a butterfly. I definitely want to blossom, and I feel like I've kind of started just a little bit. Now I just have to really be consistent, and that's going to be the hard part for me. And I really just have to try harder to just bring you guys a variety of different things. God is working. My talent isn't here for no reason. Shout out to Shirley for coordinating this event for us, even though it wasn't many of us. The four of us, we had a great time together. It's like we've been friends. Like we were just talking like we were friends. And it's funny because all of us were mad similar. It was good vibes. Good vibes. To any of you guys that are like aspiring to just do something, honestly, just get your behind up and just do it. I'm saying that to myself because I really need to just do it. That's the end of Haitians Who Blog meet and greet pop-up vlog, so to say. Subscribe below, click the bell, all that jazz you guys already know. Hopefully gives you kind of like some hindsight behind our world, because I'm telling you, sitting in front of a camera is not as easy as it looks. So give credit when credit is due. I will see y'all next time. Real gang, 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 gang.